Okay, good evening folks. It is Sunday the 25th of July 2010. This is my weekly outlook for the pound Swiss franc. Okay, so we're bearish on the daily chart here. Been waiting quite some time now to actually have a thrust bar to complete the TDF buy setup. We finally have that on Thursday on the back of the GDP number, obviously coming in way above expectations, so the pound got a wee bit of strength on the back of that. So yeah, basically was looking at this, looking at sort of finding levels here to sell. We've got the low of the thrust bar here. When that's removed to the close, that would be the level to sell. But the only thing is, I was also looking at this TDST resistance up at the 1.6436 level. But I mean, where we are at the moment on the weekly, it's going to be actually a relatively positive close here on the weekly. Because you can see even here, we've got a final thrust resistance level is going to be removed to the close, and also the thrust support level that was removed to the close and not retested, we're going to remove that to the close as well. So it's actually a fairly positive sign, although I'm not so sure we're seeing this against the chief across the board. Whether it's obviously just a pound thing at the moment, so is that going to be temporary? That's the question. And then even if we go to the monthly here, we're showing a good bounce for that 948, 5948 level to the monthly close. So it's a wee bit tougher. I mean, I still think this is going to be a good level to sell, but what I'm going to do though is I'm going to wait to see if we can have a sort of a TDST sort of failure on the daily front, like the TDST trading that I do in the other video. I don't do so much of it now. I do more so probably on the daily than anything else. But what I'd like to see here is maybe a test of this level. We might spike through and a good looking failure, and then I might start to feel a bit more bearish about this market. But I mean, the way the weekly's looking to close and the possibility of this sort of fairly good looking bounce on the monthly, we're not just too far away from actually becoming positive in this market on the daily chart here. 335 pips away to be exact. And obviously the pound's looking fairly positive against the dollar for the next probably month or so. So we could even get a long position going on this pound Swiss franc. So yeah, so that's the plan this week. I'll keep an eye on this TDST resistance, but I want to see some sort of failure candle, maybe similar to something like this, just to show me that this level's being respected, and then we'll maybe look towards doing some stuff, looking to short this market on the back of that. So yeah, we'll just keep an eye on that for this week. It'll be fairly important, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, cheers.